coconut town. Kauai.
I don't think it's called
Marketplace.
coconut.
Yeah, it's only 19 minutes.
Right.
What was that?
Prawn.
Hit the antenna.
Or a fawn. What do they call it?
That's pretty funny.
3.7 miles. Turn left onto Kahoano Highway.
Prawn.
Prawn. Not a prawn. A shrimp.
Oh gosh, let's get hit by a car. How do you feel?
How far are they?
Okay. We should go see the other falls.
I don't care.
See if I can spell it right.
I mean,
But we do have to go through a red line.
Then turn left onto traffic. Proceed to the route.
We're trying. We're trying.
Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the route.
I'm trying.
You're going the wrong way. Yeah.
Let me out of this coconut market.
Proceed to the route.
We love an island with one road.
Yeah, I remember this.
Remember to roll with A-L-O-H-A. Kualu.
Kuamu.
Kuamu.
Well,
That's
it
a-
has a train station.
Kuamu Point. We love the sun. Neat.
It was very dirty.
Huh?
It's either green or blue.
He's ready, ladies and gents. We show what we got. That's what a haul is. Got a sweatshirt. Aloha Kauai.
Andrew got the shirt.
Beachy vibes. White shirt. Hawaii. Because that's where we are. And I got a box.
I got this. Some soap.
Got some soap. Smell it? No, I'm just kidding. What does it smell like? Ooh, does smell good. Mango hibiscus. It's not focusing. There you go. Woohoo! Coconut market. Great time.
Give you $12 on the chain.
We'll get one of these.
awesome. $8.
Golden hour. Look like a goddess. Which one do you think I folded? Maybe your song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Dear, dear.
58 white 4-door hard top Jeeps that look exactly like ours.
Probably more than that.
I like it.
2.5 hours till we leave for the airport.
If we're hungry, we might leave early and just go get food on the way.
Well, yeah,
Or
we're
that.
used to the movies.
Golden hour.
Dad, I lost my earbuds and I think I found them.
So, one of you guys has 2 pairs.
Baby, oh.
Gosh, that's.
Please leave.
Try slamming the door.
Please get out. Bye.
Goodbye. Oh, mom's done. Okay.
Love you. Baby, your song, you make me wanna roll my windows down. Cruise. This is my bathroom. No sand on the ground over there, so. Perfect. I also didn't wash my hair for like a week. But then I did, and now it looks like this. Oh, it's huge and it's fine. Okay. Last walk to the beach.
Last walk to the freaking beach. We're gonna light some freaking fireworks from the freaking beach.
Can't freaking wait. I just tripped.
You did it and I didn't.
I know.
Always the tripper.
Well, it's genetic, obviously. Look at that. Look at that.
We all should light a firework.
Taping the whole walk.
Just some of it, not the whole thing. Would you like the whole thing on
It's
tape?
really pretty.
Would you like the whole thing on tape?
Guys, we
Such a
should,
pretty walk.
It is such a
we
pretty
should all
walk.
light a firework.
It looks really good on camera. Kind of better than it does in real life.
It's gonna explode.
You want me to put the other one?
Woohoo!
That's wave.
Nice wave, bruh. Dance around them. It's Aloha Friday. No pressure, but it's all getting recorded.
Oh, that's a big one. Okay. Audrey, do you want to go? Alright, so take this.
Now we sacrifice
And
And now,
our youngest
no one needs their little
goddess
toes.
to King Kamehameha. Let's not leave no trace behind.
That's right.
bye beach. Okay, bye condo.
Oh, come on. You gotta take the time.
Okay, goodbye refrigerator that we ate out of every day. Goodbye toaster that I made toast in. Goodbye stove, I didn't use you. Goodbye microwave. Goodbye paper towels. Goodbye mugs. Goodbye bowls. Goodbye all the food we didn't eat.
Wrap it up.
Goodbye table I never ate at. Goodbye couch I sat on too many times. Goodbye TV where we watch game shows. Goodbye mirror. I'm kidding, I'm getting the wrap it up. Goodbye laundry room where we washed all the red dirt. Goodbye room.
Bye.
Goodbye E111.
Good night, moon.
Good night. Good night elevator we never used. Good night mysterious pool noodles that were always there. Yeah, let's go to Phoenix. Goodbye Jeep. Goodbye.
Are you thinking like it's
It's Aloha Friday, no work till Monday. It's Aloha